On number 8, you got another Venn diagram, and it's showing you the elements that are in the set, or the number of elements. And so we are being asked to find the cardinal number of set A, and set A is the green circle. So I have to add up the 7 and the 3 and the 1 and the 12. Let's see, 7 and 3 is 10, and 1 is 11, and 11 and 12 is 23. 23. That's it. And the next one. Okay, so this is take circle A, but remove circle B. Okay, so if I take A is this entire circle, right? But we have to remove, I thought that would work. Oh well, it didn't work. You have to remove B, so, and B is like dead in the center of A, so here we go. If I remove it, I've got a hole in the middle of A. So all I have to do is add up the 8 and the 10, because that's all that's left. So circle A, remove the B, you're just left with 10 and 8, which is 18. All right, next. Okay. Now, on this one, I'm going to have to draw my own Venn diagram, and this might take me a minute, so I want as much time as possible, so I'll make a separate video.